What are we doing today?
Are we going to a property? Me.
What are we doing today?
We're gonna go to a Walmart.
We're gonna go get some money.
Oh. No!
Just kidding. Pupunta tayo sa bahay nung seller natin. We're gonna get all the paperwork sorted out. And then that's it. Because that's how we make money. Well, that's done. Just like that, sir. Where are we going next?
Walmart?
Itong si seller, I've been talking to him since March of this year. Kasi yung binibenta niya, ano siya, POA siya nung binibenta niya. So, meaning power of attorney siya nun. Hindi talaga siya yung may-ari, pero siya yung ginawang POA nung namatay na may-ari. And last March, pinaprocess nila yung mga probate paperworks about the house. And I kept in contact with him every single week, maybe once every 2 weeks. Nagme-message ako sa kanya, keeping in touch, keeping in the mind that I'm still buying, we're still buying, right? So last week he finally messaged me, nag-message siya sa akin na, hey, I got everything done, we should meet and see what you could offer me. So kita kami dun kagahapon, made him an offer that he couldn't refuse, and yun, kikita tayo ng magandang profit dito sa bahay niya. And yeah, I could share what I made in that property, but we'll keep that confidential for now. Pero it's nice for, let's say, an hour and a half of my time. So yeah. So, nandito na kami sa Marshall. Naiwan ako sa car, pero bumaba din ako. I think I hear them kung nasan sila. Found you. I found you. Yung kausap ko pala yung contractor ko. Merong problem dun sa current project namin ngayon sa Palliser, but everything can be resolved, so we can't stress out too much. But it's family time today for these kids.
Daddy, look, they have the same. They do like this.
Oh wow!
Why do you do like that? They have the same.
No.
This one don't have engine. This one have engine up the top.
Yeah, eh? Ito mong bilhin.
Daddy, come here. Lamborghini.
Lamborghini, oh. Oh, itim na Lamborghini, oh. Oh, ha? Ito pa, Lamborghini.
Yeah, what is that?
Yan, oh. What's that, Emil?
I think I want the black one.
Wow. Ito na lang din. Kasi dito nakakuhaan talaga, ito talaga yung gusto
Daddy,
niya.
I think I want the black one and this.
No, babe.
I want this.
Oh.
I want this.
Cute naman yan. Is that a bear? Can I kiss the bear?
No.
Kiss ko si bear.
No.
Oh, kiss mo si bear. Kiss ko si bear. Ay, kiss ko pala si Emil. Ay, si bear pala. Ay, si Emil. Kiss ko si Emil.
This is my
Emil, look.
Emil, look.
It's the adventures.
Ice cream. Bibilin pa natin to.
Oh, ka na yung bear.
Yo. No.
Attitude.
A few moments later.
Ayaw na talaga bitawan ni Emil yung teddy bear na yun, no? Oh, ayaw niya ng ibang bear. Here.
Pinaltan niya, pinagpalit niya lang yun.
Uy! Ayaw niya na talaga ng kahit ano, gusto niya yung bear lang.
No. Yeah, Daddy. You like the one with the high five? No.
Yung gusto mo, yung bear talaga na isa?
Dog.
You want the dog? Or you want the bear?
The bear.
Hold on.
Oh, all done. Okay.
Bye, bear. Bye, bear.
You want this one?
Which one you want? This one or this one?
He likes
This one.
to
Okay.
sleeping.
At Walmart na kami ngayon. Talagang shopping. Anyways, meron tayong bad news. Tumawag sa akin yung owner na hinanapan ko ng buyer na yung garage niya is nasunog. And another bad news doon is wala siyang insurance sa property. So ngayon, nakahanap ako ng buyer pero we'll see kung magiging interested pa sila after malaman nila na nasunog yung garage. Yun lang. But it is what it is, man. Not our fault. Kaya advice ko sa mga homeowner, kahit bayad nyo na yung property nyo, like wala na kayo mortgage, still get an insurance kasi you never know what can happen, right? Yun, ngayon mamumblema ngayon yung seller kung ano mangyayari. I'm pretty sure gusto pa rin ng buyer na nakita ko yung bahay na yun, pero it will not be at the same price. Pero we're here with Ellis looking at more toys. Huh?
I found my Lamborghini already.
Oh wow, Lamborghini. Good job, Ellis. What you looking for? What's that?
Ew.
Daddy, I found something. When I see this in the video, I found that.
Oh wow.
I found that in that video. Wait, we're gonna go.
Goodall is real. Let's go.
A few moments later.
All done. Saan tayo ngayon?
Thank you.
No, we're gonna go to Mickey D's. Mickey Daniels. Si Emil nakabudol na naman si Emil, oh. Just kidding, it's almost his birthday.
I have a Lamborghini.
Next week. Pero ako muna ang magbe-birthday. Yeah. And then si Emil after.
2 days after.
Yes, sir. It's hot and nice out today.
2,000 years later.
Thank you, Daddy. I mean, Mama and Daddy.
So uwi na lang tayo. Just gonna drive home and then eat this outside sa labas. We're gonna eat out.
Can you outside?
Yeah, eat outside.
Okay, yay.
Hey,
A few moments later.
there we go. We're gonna eat outside. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, ayaw mag-share. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come here. Let's eat outside. French fries. Well, that's it for today's video.
Please comment and
Share,
subscribe.
like, and subscribe. Peace.
Peace.